Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today is my second attempt to try to do steamed beehoon with meat paste. See whether it turns out to be okay or not. Alright, so first of all, we have some beehoon. This is the portion for only one single person. Yeah? I will do plate by plates. So it's easier to control the water. Actually, the toughest part is to control the water because as the beehoon getting cooked, you will actually absorb all the water, and when the steamed beehoon come out, no more juice, which is not right. Yeah, when we order this dish at the stores, it will come with a lot of broth. Yeah, let me try to do it again. So I have spread out the beehoon, okay, evenly here, and then we are going to do a bit of marination to the simple marination to the fresh minced pork, and I have some goji berries and also spring onion for garnishing. We will be using some condiment here, some salt, white pepper, Shaoxing wine, fish sauce, tong choy, fried ginger, and fried ginger oil. You can use shallot, yeah? I almost forgot, you need to prepare some broth. I'm using anchovies broth, yeah? Ikan bilis broth here, where I actually boil some ikan bilis for about 5 minutes together with some few pieces of ginger. And I added a little bit of salt inside, yeah? Just to give it some base flavor. When you're making ikan bilis broth, make sure you cook the ikan bilis for only 5 minutes. Not more than that. If not, it will be very, very fishy. You don't really need this much of meat paste here. Anything extra, I'll be keeping for tomorrow. So let's quickly do some marinade here. I'm going to start with a little bit of fine salt, few dashes of white pepper, some Shaoxing wine, my premium Vietnamese fish sauce. I'm going to put in some tong choy inside. And some fragrant oil. Today I'm using ginger oil. You can use shallot oil, you can use garlic oil. So I'm going to use part of the meat paste here today for steaming beehoon. The rest I'll make into some meatball for tomorrow night to make some meatball soup. We're done with marinating the meat paste. Next thing is to put the meat paste on top of the beehoon. So first of all, I told you earlier, spread out the beehoon a bit, yeah? Then you also want to spread out the meat paste. Spread it thinly. All right. Next thing, we're going to add in some broth. Here's the broth. So why is it the first round when I tried to do it, it actually failed? Because when the noodles is cooked, the broth is gone, fully absorbed by the noodles, very dry, come out, yeah? So today I'm going to try another method where I actually steam the beehoon when the beehoon is still in this condition, which is original condition. You do need quite a lot of broth here. So you get the pan that has a good depth, yeah? Right. We will still give it some seasoning towards the end. Now we can send this to the steamer. I don't mind giving it a little bit of fish sauce and a wee bit of Shaoxing wine. And let's send this to the steamer. Right, so preheat your steamer to 100 degrees Celsius, or the water is boiling. Then we slowly put in the noodles in the middle and steam it for at least 10 minutes. Yeah, I will see if I need to cook it until 15 minutes. I'll decide later or not. And if halfway I'm not sure whether if halfway I need to add more water. Let's see how it goes. This is after about 10 minutes. Let me check the beehoon, is it cooked or not? Wow. Let me see. It looks like it's already cooked and still some sauce there. I think it's okay. Let me take it out and give it a try. Right, finally it looks very legit right now. I just want to try a bit to see whether the beehoon is fully cooked. If it's not fully cooked, then I'll just definitely fully cooked. Now I know what is the tips. You need to steam the beehoon when the beehoon is still dry and original state. Yeah, don't soften it, then only you go and steam it. So see, you still have some sauce there. That's exactly what we wanted. Not really done yet. Let's going to put some fried garlic. Sorry, this is fried ginger on top. You can use fresh ginger also, no problem. Give it some goji berries, some spring onion. And you can give it a bit of Shaoxing wine or some fish sauce right now also if you want to be more flavorful, right? You control yourself. Right, finally, Appa managed to successfully recreate the steamed beehoon with meat paste. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.